In this video, I'm going to show you how to share a video to your Instagram story. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here hit at that plus sign and then right there hit on story. It shows up a camera where you can hold down on that shutter icon to start recording a video using your camera, or you can hit right there to open up your camera roll, and from here you can select any video that you filmed before. Let it be that one. You can just hit add that video, and now you can edit it in any way that you want. So now you can mute this video, you can add here some text or some stickers or some other effects. Also you can swipe to the side to apply some filters to that video, and when you finished with that you can hit add that arrow icon, and now you can share that video to your story. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.